Here at eRank, we're back again with the top keywords on Etsy now. Let us take the guesswork out of your Etsy SEO and product research. We'll show you the most popular search terms with US shoppers. Then we'll analyze what these trending keywords tell us about what's selling on Etsy now. If this is your first time here, the lovely Jan over at the eRank blog creates these reports. This video is just a summary. For more details, or if you prefer to read, please head over to the blog, where we also have the annual review of the top trends in 2024 and trends in other countries, and just about to be added in Amazon and eBay. Here's December's US top 20 most searched keywords on Etsy, and as ever, beware of trademark terms. This report may contain keywords that are trademarked. We always start with the current top 20 keywords that weren't on the previous month's top 20 list. These get our focus because they climbed the furthest. That is, in just one short month, they jumped the most places in line. For December 2024, we had just 7 climbers, none of them screamers, and we decided to compare this December's top 20 keywords with 2023's December top 20, and this yielded some unexpected results. So since we're winding down 2024, let's look at those too, and then we'll end up with a roundup of which top searches indicate the most purchase intent. You might want to add the seasonal and giftables to a keyword list for next year. First though, December's 2024 climbers. These keywords climbed the highest fastest, and here they are listed in order with their current rank first, followed by their rank in November. We know lots of you are busy gearing up for Valentine's Day shoppers, so let's look at the highest climbers, and we can also skip stocking stuffer as it does this every year. The climber that surprised us the most is signs. We don't recall ever seeing that shopper search in any Etsy's top 20 before. Ranking 13th, signs is up from number 256. Anything odd catch your eye? What struck us most was that lackluster average click-through rate, just 62%. For Etsy, that is distinctly low, especially for a top 20 search, and most especially one making a December top 20, simply because in December, more people are buying. We should be seeing more evidence of purchase intent. When calculated just for December, the other 19 have monthly click-through rates well above 80%, and yet Signs' monthly click-through rate is even worse, 36%. Might Etsy have been promoting Signs on its US homepage? Etsy promos can be so enticing. People click through even though they're shopping for something else entirely, and so they don't go on to click through to many listings they're shown. So we opened in an incognito window and checked. Aha! Here is Etsy's US homepage showing clickable promos, headlined featured categories, including one labeled Signs. Are you looking for what to sell on Etsy? Given that oddly high December spike coupled with its low click-through rate, better hold off on this one. Add it to a keyword list. Let that tool track it for a while before you invest time or materials. Ranking 20th, Grandma Gift, up from 152nd. This is the only other climber that leapfrogged 100 plus places to reach December's top 20. And unlike Signs, Grandma Gift is still popular now. Maybe some grandmas are getting Valentine's gifts. And unlike Signs' abysmal 36% December click-through rate, Grandma Gift had 93% for the month of December. Another consideration, Etsy has Signs as a homepage promo, and we didn't find one for Grandma Gift. This suggests the latter has better purchase intent. Shoppers on Etsy for the purpose of buying their grandma a gift, and apparently many more of such shoppers than before. A year ago in December, Grandma Gift only ranked number 358th, but it did have a 104% click-through rate for the month. And speaking of December, as we mentioned up top, let's compare that top 20 with this year's. We learned so much when we did that for our annual trends report, including a couple of shockers. December 2023's top 20 searches turned sliders in 2024. 9 of December 2023's top 20 keywords also made this December's top 20 list. 11, however, did not. We've listed them in order by the rank they had in December 2023's top 20 and their current rank, if any, last. Two of these, gift newborn and gift for kid, are not as standard syntax-wise. We recall pointing that out in our report last year. Their rise surprised us, and 3 more here didn't slide far, but 6 others sure did. December 2023's number 6, handmade gift, down and out. Neither its singular nor plural form made this December's top 1,000. Year on year, handmade gift has dropped by over 300,000 searches. That's 98% down. Ouch! Compare that to 15 months ago, October of 2023. With that year's holiday shopping only just gearing up, it's already close to 105,000 searches. Jan did some digging in past reports and spotted that handmade gift only started to chart in November 2022. Then in 2023, it peaked in March, 188,990 searches, and again for May and June, once more in December 2023. And then from April 2024, it's back to being pretty flat. Not as bad as 10 searches a month, but having only 5,420 searches for December makes it a year-on-year slider for sure. December 2023's number 7, personalised, now number 194. At least personalised has been popular this week, and personalised isn't down by quite as much. Still, it slid 93%, and competition from your fellow Etsy seller listings is ridiculous, over 5 million. That said, like handmade gift, personalised is too broad a keyword for any mere mortal to rank for. Everyone has to niche down, get more specific, and fear not, Etsy's shopper demand for all things personalised is still there. This December's top 1,000 had 22 shopper searches with the word personalised, and 24 more with custom or customised. December 2023's number 12, unique holiday gift, another down and out? Like handmade gift, neither singular or plural form of unique holiday gift made this December's top 1,000. Back in December 2023, unique holiday gift had nearly 146,000 searches. A year later, this year it's just 10 searches. If you're using up a tag on this one, don't. Move it to a keyword list, let that watch it for you. In shopper searches, the use of unique comes and goes, so who knows, it might be back. December's 2023 number 13, housewarming gift, now number 516. In fact, doesn't it make sense that housewarming gift should be popular all year round? Maybe it was a fluke that it soared to 138,000 searches in December 2023. December 2023's number 14, personalised jewellery, is now 127th. This one didn't fall nearly as far, but for what's been a major trend on Etsy for ages, this is worrying. It's one of those you don't notice it's gone until you compare it year on year. While December 2024's search count of 25,830 isn't terrible, year on year, personalised jewellery is down 81%. Last January, it stayed high for Valentine's Day shoppers, and it is popular now, but it's got quite a ways to go to approach January 2024's performance, so we'll keep you posted. December 2023's number 16th home gift is now 301st, the last of our year-on-year sliders. Remember homewarming gift? These both shot sky high a year ago, and both are decidedly down year-on-year. And the number of listings competing for home gift is over 10 million. That's 10 times the number of listings using housewarming gift. Home ranked 30th this December, so we checked it to see how it did back in December 2023. And unlike housewarming gift and home gift, this one's way up. And a year ago, it didn't crack December 2023's top 1,000. Neither did personalised home gift. That ranks 107th this year. Nor home gift for him, which is 290th this year. And in both Decembers and every month between, home decor related searches are regulars on every top 20. So we're calling this a healthy niche, apart from the competition, of course. But you know what to do about that, right? Just niche down. Jan shows us over on the blog step by step how she niches down to find great lower competition keywords in the keyword tool, starting with those high competition keywords. And I'm in the beta version of the keyword tool, which you all have access to. And there's a nifty feature where if you click on these little funnels, you can set some rules. So I'm sorting only by keywords with less than 10,000 competition. Let's see what there is. If I then click on the search trend column, I can see the keywords with the highest search volume in December, but with under 10,000 competition. So here's one, custom home altar. Brand new on the scene, 3,420 searches in December. Think it's got potential? As with any single month spike like this, we advise you first add it to a keyword list. Let that report on its activities for a while before you invest in materials. And there were others. Alligator home decor had 1,500 searches in December and a 12-month click-through rate of 148%. That's a lot of purchase intent. And speaking of which, we've got your roundup of the top keywords on Etsy that have the highest click-through rate. Are you here to find what to sell on Etsy? Then this round is for you. Of the top online marketplaces we cover, Etsy has the most keywords with a high click-through rate. That said, even on Etsy, click-through rates above 125% are rare. We did these calculations based exclusively on December, our most recent full month of data, which means that regardless of what their 12-month click-through rates may be, these keywords should be what's selling best now. We hope this proves to be some profitable leads for you. And one last thing, some of these shopper searches could cause an Etsy seller problems, whether they be protected by intellectual property rights or prohibited by Etsy, so please look before you leap. On the blog, Jan looks all the way into the top 250, so you need to check that out. But with that, we're off to see what's trending in other top-selling countries. And even if you only shipped within the US, you might want to stick with us. We always discover more about US trends as we research what's popular in the UK, Canada, and Australia. Parlez-vous français? You can even read our monthly reports covering French Etsy shopper trends. As always, we love hearing what you think. Got questions or suggestions? You're welcome to join us in eRanks' private Facebook group. With over 28,000 members from around the world, someone friendly is always up and about.